Understanding a Club Constitution, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the world of club management and governance, specifically focusing on what a club constitution is and why it's so vital. If you're part of a club, thinking about starting one, or simply curious about how clubs operate, you're in the right place. A club constitution is a written document that outlines the fundamental principles and guidelines of a club's operation. Think of it as the rule book, or backbone, of the club. It covers everything from the club's purpose and membership requirements to the roles of officers and procedures for meetings. The Constitution ensures that everyone understands the club's goals, values, and procedures, promoting fairness and consistency. Every club constitution is unique, but they generally include several critical elements. 1. Name and purpose. This section clearly defines the club's name and its primary objectives. 2. Membership. Here, the Constitution outlines who can join the club, the types of memberships available, and any dues or responsibilities. 3. Officers and elections. This part describes the different leadership roles within the club, their duties, and how and when elections are held. 4. Meetings. Details about regular meetings, including how often they occur, how they're conducted, and what constitutes a quorum for decision-making, are outlined here. 5. Amendments. This section explains how the Constitution can be changed, ensuring the document remains relevant and up-to-date. Having a club constitution is not just about setting rules. It's about creating a framework that allows a club to function smoothly. It clarifies roles and expectations, reducing conflicts and misunderstandings, ensures that decision-making is fair and democratic, provides a sense of direction and purpose, helps in obtaining official recognition or funding from institutions, as many require a clear constitution for affiliation or support. Crafting a club constitution requires careful thought and input from club members. It's often a collaborative process, involving these steps. 1. Gather ideas. Discuss with members what they expect from the club and what they think should be included in the Constitution. 2. Draft the document. Write the initial draft, covering all the key components. 3. Review and revise. Allow members to review the draft and suggest changes. 4. Vote and adopt. Once the final draft is ready, the club should vote to adopt it. Ensure this process is fair and transparent. Remember, a constitution should be a living document that evolves with your club's needs. Regular reviews and amendments are crucial for addressing new challenges and opportunities. A well-crafted club constitution is the cornerstone of a successful and organized club. It not only sets clear guidelines and expectations but also ensures that the club remains true to its purpose and values. We hope this video helps you in your journey to creating and understanding a club constitution. Happy clubbing, and see you in our next video.